Quality and durability, keeper 40 feet. Hey Baler heavy-duty ratchet tie-down features an abrasion and rot-resistant 2-in high-test webbing to absorb shock during transportation. Securing features. Constructed with a steel ratchet buckle, extra long open standard handle, and double J hooks. How to use. To engage, attach the hook to an anchor point, pull webbing over the cargo load and tug to desired tension. Ratchet by raising and lowering the handle to lock cargo into place. Ideal use. Great for securing cargo and equipment to your vehicle with a 3,333 pounds working load limit. Disclaimer. Before use, always be sure to confirm the size of the cargo before using this tie-down strap. Keeper Performance engineered 40x2 heavy-duty ratchet tie-downs are engineered to meet D.O.T., California Highway Patrol, and Web Sling Association standards, making them the ideal choice for industrial cargo control. Keeper tie-downs are appropriate for a wide variety of applications, and a safety-first approach delivers outstanding reliability in every circumstance. High-test webbing is abrasion-resistant, won't rot or mildew, and maximizes strength while remaining lightweight and transportable. Easy-to-use ratchet handles and J-hooks allow for secure, high-tension transport, making ratchet tie-downs perfect for your large, demanding cargo needs. Top reviews from the United States. Used as a slackline for my teenage sons. They love it. They have been able to strap it up between trees in the yard and walk the tight rope.